All right, it's always good when we start a week comfortable, but with something to keep an eye on,
Yes.
right? Something does, okay, there's something down the road.
And it's funny because last winter we never really had a January thaw, and we're certainly experiencing one this winter. Little bump today and yesterday with the temperatures dropping a little bit, but I think we're going to be back into the 40s midweek, and nothing serious is coming together storm-wise late this week. When you look at it first glance, you think maybe something will, and there was some talk about that on social media, but I just don't really see it happening.
You know, just enough to keep the cars messy.
Yes,
well, yes, that is the problem.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mine, as I mentioned before,
Disaster.
not looking pretty right now. Average high for this date is 32 in Portland, 28 in Bangor. We were a couple above that today in both cities. Mountains and up north stayed in the 20s. Here are the current numbers. It's 29 in Bangor, 16 in Caribou, and 34 degrees right now in Portland. There is a little bit of a breeze out there that adds to the wind chill, but nothing that's all that concerning right now. There are some snow showers not far away from us, just over the border. These may come into places like Rangeley, Eustis, and Jackman tonight, but otherwise just a stray flurry tonight. High pressure over the eastern U.S. This eases to the east tomorrow, but it's too far to our south to keep us out of the storm track of what's coming later this week. So overnight tonight, lows will be in the 20s for most of us, teens up through the county. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Most of us have a fair amount of sunshine during the day tomorrow. If you're north of the mountains, up through the central highlands and into the county, a little bit more cloud cover there, but the vast majority of us see sun through the day. Temperatures in central and southern Maine get close to 40 tomorrow afternoon, thanks to a southerly breeze sending in the milder air. Tomorrow evening starts out quiet. However, tomorrow night will be fairly mild, relatively speaking, for this time of the year. Temperatures along the coastline probably don't drop below freezing tomorrow night, and there will be a few showers that come through, light showers, perhaps a few snow showers in the mountains and a spotty rain shower to the south, but that doesn't look like a big problem at this point. Then for the day Wednesday, we'll have a lot of cloud cover, could be a break or two of sunshine, but it doesn't look like there's much precipitation around during the day. Could be a spotty shower, but temperatures get well into the 40s perhaps on parts of the coastline. Look at Portsmouth here Wednesday afternoon. Could sneak into the upper 40s while we're in the 30s up north. This type of a pattern can produce a sizable storm, but it just doesn't really look like it'll happen at this point. We will get a steadier round of some showers Wednesday night into Thursday. And on the cold side, up in the mountains, there will be some snow. But for the rest of us, it's really just in the form of rain showers through the day Thursday. And then behind this system, cold air settles back in for Friday. So just to give you an idea of between Wednesday night and Thursday night, where the snow may fall, again, it's more likely to be near and north of Route 2. A lot of central and southern Maine, the precipitation we get from that system will be in the form of rain. Seas tomorrow, 3 to 5 feet with a west-southwest wind. 10 to 20 knots. So sunshine, milder out there tomorrow. Temps will be around 40. Could be a snow shower in the mountains tomorrow night. Otherwise, some rain showers at times overnight into Wednesday. But a lot of the time, Wednesday will be dry. Rain and snow showers inland and north on Thursday, but along the coastline, most of all of those will be in the form of rain. Back to chill on Friday, and then right now, Saturday looks like the quieter day of the weekend. There's a system to watch on Sunday, but a long ways out. We'll have to see whether or not that comes together.
All right, a couple things going on.
Right.
Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.